Okay, so we got this coconut and Ulf wants to crack it. And we have a four-wheel drive. Hello, hello!
Hello, hello, but I have no idea what will happen next.
Okay, go on.
Yeah? Ja, weiter. Ja?
Go, 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 Ulf.
Weiter.
Gerade oben, du bist halb auf meinem
Matthias is also getting a movie. Matthias is super happy, I can tell. Okay, Ulf, go on. Ride on.
I'm right on it.
You're right on it and nothing happens.
Okay, yeah, you took a photo of this.
Go on with the back wheel. Maybe it's.
You go forward.
Wait on that.
Mark, may I try something out?
Yes.
With the back
Okay,
back
just-
wheel.
Have you have a picture of it?